Welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. We'll be discussing about the fully funded Erasmus Mundus Scholarship for international students in Europe, and you can study at multiple locations. Like you can study in UK, Germany, France, Netherlands, Japan, Sweden, Argentine, and also there are other countries where you can complete. So there'll be full scholarship and we'll have deadline of January 8, 2026. Before we'll show you the process, let me remind to subscribe our YouTube channel Full Scholarships and do follow us on Instagram page as well. As usual, the link for this scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are in the respective descriptions of each of the videos, and also in the about section of the YouTube you can see link is also given there, or you can ask us on Instagram through the message. Our team will reply you there. Our team will reply you there when you message for the scholarships. So they will be sending you the link. Also, the scholarship link is given in the YouTube video description below and in the about section of the YouTube, or you can directly visit our website fullscholarships.net. So once you visit our website, you can see the GLOCAL Erasmus Mundus Scholarship are awarded to international students from across the globe and who are willing to undertake degree programs in UK and other European countries. So there are like semesters, 4 semesters in master's program or 2 semesters in some programs. So you'll be having 1 semester at one university and other semester at other university. So like that, you'll be having multiple university education degree. So this is the scholarship with euro 16,800 euro stipend per year, which will be for travel and visa as well. And this joint master's degree program will be taught over 2 years, and then there will be consortium of 7 universities which will be participating in this. So starting from the University of Glasgow, where you have to complete the application, then you will be moving to Erasmus University Rotterdam, Netherlands, then Uppsala University Sweden, and then the Barcelona University Spain, then the Los Angeles University Colombia, and Kyoto University Japan. Further you will be moving to the Göttingen University Netherlands. Then the requirements for this academic requirements will be bachelor's degree, and you should have academic background. Then you can also complete the eligibility for the English requirements through the IELTS and TOEFL, or if you have already previous education in English language, you don't need to worry. Then the scholarship will include the full tuition fee, insurance coverage, and monthly subsistence of 1400 euro allowances. Then the documents that are required to apply for this degree certificates you should have, if they are in other language, translate into English, then transcripts and 2 reference letters on a headed paper or letterhead, and then the English proficiency certificate, passport copy, CV in the Europass format, and then we have given all the embedded links for you so that you can search them directly on the Google and you'll be getting the Europass. And then we also have the to be eligible for a global Erasmus scholarship like this one. So you should have these certain conditions, and before the deadline of January 8 you should apply. So in order to start the application, click on this apply here button. Once you click on that, you can see the GLOCAL program official website is here, and all the values, scholarship payments, and eligibility and how to apply is mentioned here. So you have to click on this how to apply section to start the application. So click on this. Then you can see scholarship application opens on 1st of October. So we are first on the YouTube to bring you this application process for the 2026 session, and you are here for the first time that if you are looking for the Erasmus scholarship, and this one is definitely for you. So application has already started just 1st October, and in order to start the application you have to download the application form first. So click on this link to download the application form. Once you click on that, you can see this type of application form will be there, and there are proper this form with all fields and your preferred study track clearly marked, CV 2 recommendation letters, everything you can see. Then color scan of the passport page, everything must be completed, and then you have to submit this through the online portal. So we'll show, and you have to also fill this form, title, your first name, your last name, your date of birth, all the sections of this form must be completed. Then the personal statement you have to write here and then complete a personal statement. Then third one is you have to tick one study track. So you can see path A, you can tick this one, and likewise you can choose any of the formats or any of the themes of the scholarship. Then signature and date. Once you complete this, save this form, and then we'll go back to this, and here you can see apply now. Click on this button, and now you can see for the first time users you have to click on create new account here, and then you have to sign up. If you have not signed up here earlier, so you need to create account with email address, create a password, confirm the password, enter your first name and last name, then click on create an account. You'll also receive the email. So let me show you the Gmail where we have received one of the confirmation emails. Here you can see I have just started the sign up process. You can see username and password. Sorry for the interruption I had occurred in the meantime. There was some connection issue, so I had to stop the video in between, and now I am completing it where I had left. So you'll receive this type of application once you start the application, and you have to simply sign up here, and you'll also receive the link that you have started the application this type. And I already have now signed up, so I'll just simply click on login button here, and we'll use the details here. You can see the username and password that you have generated while signing up. So I'll click on sign in, and now you can see redirecting to the official portal. Here you can see now create new application. Select the country of permanent residence. This should be as per the passport. Make sure you make no mistakes here, and enter the program. So you can see different programs are there. I'll be going for this Local Creativities International Masters, and then September 2026. Select the mode full time, and then click on create application. Now once you create an application, you can see welcome to University of Glasgow online application system. Now click on next steps in the green button here, and now there will be the personal details that you have to fill, starting with the details here, and then select the gender, then date of birth. This should not have any issues. You should completely verify the information first from your passport, and then country of birth, and then country of nationality, and then please select any disability if you have. So if you have, just mention that. Then otherwise mention that no known impairment. Then what is your ethnic group? So you can say Indian, Asian, that you actually have the group, so you mention that here. And then what religious beliefs do you have? So you can mention that. After that, what's your orientation? So you can mention here. And then have you ever studied? So you can say yes, turn these on. Do you require student visa to study in UK? So you have to mention yes. And then enter the passport number here. And then have you previously had the UK visa? So we do not had. We'll click on next. After that, select the home address, mention the country you are from, and then enter the address, your city, and then mention the state. After that, scroll down. So same address as above, mailing address, then phone number, and then if you have other email or phone number, you can add that. Then click on next. After that, add the previous education. So for masters, there's an requirement of bachelor's, so we'll select that. In India I had done, so you can see. And then academic level, you can see undergraduate, then course title, and then from date, when did you started the degree, so you have to mention that here. So 4 years of duration I had, starting 1st Jan 2020 and ending at December 2024. There you go. Now select the grade. So click on add. You can see you can add high school education as well. We'll just skip there and click on next. After that, completing education. So do you have any work experiences? You can mention yes and no accordingly, then click on next. If you have internship experience, you can submit that. How do you intend to fund your studies? So you can say University of Glasgow Scholarship, you have to mention this. So is this funding confirmed? So as the moment we do not have, so we are intending to apply to be considered, and then click on next step here. After that, now here you can see scholarship form that we have downloaded. There you can see Erasmus Mundus scholarship eligibility is there. So we have to fill in this form and then come back and upload the scholarship form here. So let me just close this form here, click on save, and now click on my device and upload that scholarship form. So it's very important, you should not miss this one. And now click on add. So click on upload, you can see uploading. And likewise, you have to upload all documents one by one. These are supporting documents, click on done. So okay, so we have to upload the PDF format. All the sections and documents having the asterisk mark or star mark on them, so you have to have the submission there, so you have to submit them. Now click on open, click on upload, click on done. Now upload your CV on the same pattern. Now click on open, click on upload, click on done. Reference one. So click on my device. Similarly, you should have two recommendation letters, or you can say reference letters. And then likewise, you have to mention that here. Click on OK. Click on upload. Click on done. Now reference second. So you have to upload all this. Click on upload. Done. After that, transcripts or mark sheets of your bachelor's. Click on upload. Done. And now academic translation, but we do not have to. We'll just submit the back. We'll submit again the same. We already have that in English. I'll just submit that. Click on upload, click on done. And now degree, if completed, upload a certificate here, and passport photo page. Click on open, upload, done. So now additional information, if you have any, you can submit that. We'll click on next. Then source of information, so definitely social media or search engine or Twitter. You can mention our username here. Then a review, click on yes, click on save. The phone number is not valid, so we have to check that contact information here. So click on save, and now click on submit, Click on yes. Click on save. Now you can see we can check all details here so that you can review the application, contact info, previous education, work experiences, finance, source of information, all things you should confirm. Now click on confirm details and submit. So you can see, please read and click on submit. Now you can see you have successfully submitted your application. Thank you. We are pleased to confirm that your application has been submitted, will be processed shortly by our admission team. We aim to respond to your applications within 3 weeks. So this is very clear message by them. So they will be responding you within 3 weeks. And in the meantime, we also have here you can see University of Glasgow application submitted. Your application number is there. You can track that here via this ID. So if I click on that and log in with my details, click on sign in here, and now you can see redirecting. You can see application submitted. We can view this. Now you can see, click on application home page. So be very careful about choosing the program. You can't add any other application here. You can just submit one application at a time. And there is no application fee for this. Zero application fee, no IELTS required. Simple application, easy to get this scholarship from the Erasmus Mundus. So be very responsible in submitting this application form. This is your chance to travel Europe and be part of these 5 to 6 universities that are participating under this institution program for giving the funding this Erasmus Mundus scholarship. I hope you enjoyed this session. Do share this video at least and like this video. Please share it with your loved ones so that they can apply for this particular opportunity. I am reminding you that the link for this scholarship is given on our YouTube video description, or directly to our website fullscholarships.net or cashmanlook.com, or message us on Instagram here, and in the video description below you can see. Please do remember to subscribe. If you already have subscribed, do share this video with your friends and anywhere that you wish your loved ones to apply for this opportunity. This is one of the best opportunities to get, easiest opportunities I would say, for the scholarships to get, that too in the UK and with fully funded. And I am signing off for today. Keep watching, keep subscribing, keep sharing this video. Have a nice day ahead.